Climate change is an immediate issue. The last 5 years have been the 5 globally hottest years on record. Temperatures have risen by an average of 0.5 to 0.6 degrees Celsius globally since 1980. With California's current water issues, these rising temperatures could have a drastic impact on our water resources and watershed management. Most importantly, these temperature spikes will affect the amount, type, and timing of precipitation. Global change models predict that as climate warms, the frequency of extreme precipitation events increases across the globe. Water vapor increases by 7% for every degree centigrade of warming. The temperature will reduce snowpack and produce more rain, causing flooding during the rainy season. The dry months will consequently become drier as there is less snow to melt and flow through streams. The rising temperatures will impact precipitation in such a way that it will exacerbate an already strained water system. If climate change is not curbed, increased precipitation could substantially overload U.S. waterways, with excess nutrient pollution increasing the likelihood of events that severely impair water quality.
Land management also plays a role in the tragedy of climate change and our water resources. As the temperature increases, evapotranspiration from vegetation also increases, and hence decreases residual precipitation available for stream flow or groundwater recharge. The vegetation of an ecosystem may even start to die off in ecosystems where snowmelt drives hydrologic processes. While vegetation appears to be another villain in this drama, without vegetation, water will not infiltrate into the ground, recharging groundwater sources. Instead, water will erode the land surface, clogging waterways and causing flooding events to occur at less extreme amounts of precipitation. In short, land management is an important factor in calculating water resources.
Climate change also influences the timing and magnitude of runoff and sediment yield. Changes in the variability of flows and pollutant loading that are induced by climate change have important implications for water supplies, water quality, and aquatic ecosystems or watershed. Overall, the main consequences of climate change with concern to water resources are the increases in temperature, shifts in precipitation patterns and snow cover, and the increase in frequency of flooding and drought. Depending on the region, climate change has different effects, but it is clear that it is altering the hydrologic regimes. Watershed management is growing in importance and vitality as the climate continues to be altered within this Anthropocene epoch. Water quality and availability are vital areas that the watershed managers will need to monitor as natural resources continue to feel the strain from the effects of climate change.